Okay, guys. Now let's practice. Okay. Now what I need to create a question bank, then you have to create what we call question pool. Okay. Let's practice now. I will come back to my course. I will come back to course tools, test survey and pools. Now I want to create a question banks in the form of pools. Already I have created some pools. Okay. And these pools I started creating here. I will show you now. Okay, I have objective 1 for unit 2, objective 1 proficient. Let's add, for example, another pool. I will call it build. It's about objective 2 in unit 2. Sorry. I need to create. Okay. Okay, objective 2. Okay. Then I am creating for unit 2 or module 2 in my course, and I will create some question for objective 2, and the level is competent. And I will click on submit. This is the way I created this pool. Now I have to add the questions for this pool. Maybe I can find the question from other tests I can take. And I can take from tests. For example, I can take from self-assessment 9. I will see how many questions from self-assessment. I can take these questions. Okay. Maybe I have here 5 questions. Here, self-assessment 8. Okay. Now the number of questions here, 8 plus 9 is 17. Show all. Then I will take these questions from self-assessment 9 and 8. Oh, okay, there are only 7. Okay, so 7 questions. I can add this also. Now I will get 11. Okay, I will click on submit now. No selected. Okay, I have to add all. Okay, I will add all these questions to my pool and click submit. Okay, now I have added all these questions for this pool and click on OK. Now I have in this pool 11 questions for unit 2. I have for unit 1, unit 1, unit 1, unit 1. Okay. Now, if I need to create a new test from these question banks, you can create and you add the question as a random block. How to do it? Now I finish from adding my pools. Okay. These are my pools. This is my question banks here. I can edit any question bank at any time from click here and edit. And you can add a question if you wish to these question banks, okay? And now, let's get back to test, survey, and pool. I want to create a new test. I will build a new test. Okay, I will call it, for example, final from pools. Final 452, but created from pool. Okay, from pools, from a question bank. Now I will not put anything here. I don't have time. I will click on submit. Now I need to add a question for this exam. I need to reuse question. I need to create what we call random block questions. Create random block. Okay, you are able to create random block only from pools and no other test. Then you have these pools. I will create from unit 1. This random block, it's only for unit 1, objective 1, competent, and click on submit. Matching one question. Okay, all the question. Okay, and click on submit. Okay, I have created now the first random block for my exam, and the point for each question is 10. You can change it from here anyway, and maybe I want only one point for each question, since it's only the level is only competent. And the number of questions to display, maybe I need only 5 questions to display from this pool. Then I have 10 questions. Then the Blackboard will randomly select 5 questions from 10 questions here for this level of difficulty, and the questions are from unit 1. Okay, and this is the question types, and I can click now. I finished now. I click on OK. Okay, now if I want to add something again, then I can click edit. I need to add another random block. Then here, create random block from unit 1, objective, proficient. Then the level of difficulty is more difficult now from the previous one. It's yes, I will take all the question. I have 15 questions here in my bank. I will take all. This is my random block 2. I need only, for example, 5 also. 5 questions, and click on submit. And maybe I will change the grade. I will put 2 for each. Okay, now I can create a new random block from unit 2, objective 1, or unit 2, competent, this one. Let's select all the question. Yes, click submit. And I have 11 questions, and I will take only 4 questions from this pool, and the grade will be 5 for each question from the pool. Okay, now I have 3 random blocks. I can add more as I wish. Then the point is how you will build your question banks. Then the way to build your question banks and to be fair for all your students, you have to build your question unit by unit, and you have to assign level of difficulty for each type of block and the number of questions that the Blackboard will select from the block for each student. Then here, for example, for a particular student, he will get 5 questions out of 10. Maybe another student, he will get another 5, not the same questions. Then the version of the exam will be different for each student. But you should be fair. How to be fair? You have to organize your question banks by unit and level of difficulty, as I can show you now. Okay, how to organize our pools. I will come back to pools here. Test, survey, and pools. This is pools. Then, as you can see, this is exam question bank for unit 1, and what objective is 1, and competent is the level of difficulty proficient. Okay, you can, it's up to you how to recognize the difficulty of questions, but you have to be fair and take in consideration this. And this is for unit 2, number of questions. If you have unit 3, then you will add, unit 4 you will add, etc. Okay, now my exam is done. I have built my exam. I come back here and I have to deploy it. Another exam test. I will take the pool 1 now that I already created from pools. Let's see now what will happen. Okay, I will not add any. Yes, open a new window. Make available to student. Make announcement. Yes. Set timer. Yes. Autocomplete. Yes. 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 Okay. Date. Okay. I will leave everything now. I will not change. Okay. Click on submit. And randomizer. He will randomize the blocks here. Oh, okay, I don't want to randomize now because I want you to see the blocks, how it is. Okay. Okay, I will not randomize the blocks. Okay, let's go block by block now. And let's get back as a student. Now, I will refresh the page. Okay, he has this exam. And begin. As you can see, he will get how many questions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. He had 14 questions. Okay, let's get back to our exam here. Test, survey and pools. And test here. Let's edit the exam and I will see how many questions in each pool. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 4, 14. Yes. Yes. Then the exam here is only 14 questions. Okay. Now, if I try another student, he will not get the same questions, but he will get only 14 questions from these pools. Okay, guys? Any question? In this way, you can create different versions of the exam, but you should be fair with the level of difficulties for each student in this way. Okay, guys, any question? Okay, thank you, guys.